Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Liliana from Sugarella Sweets. In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to recreate a beautiful unicorn backdrop. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more videos about unicorn party deco, have a look at the end of my video so I can give you more links. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. So this is how I created the unicorn backdrop, and this is my little Mia that had so much fun at her party, and it was so much fun also just decorating for the unicorn theme. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and see you in next week's video.